Hello my crafty friends, it's P with some more Merry Mail. I had to show you guys this card. This card was created and colored by the wonderful Sybil B here on YouTube. Again, her link will be in the description box. Sybil B and I go way back. I don't even want to think about how far we go back. She is the crafty colorer that I would love to grow up to be like. This woman's coloring is amazing, and her card making skills are top-notch. I just love her work, and I cherish her cards. And she is a very dear, sweet, precious friend and faithful friend. Whenever I need a prayer, she's one of the people that I go to. She's always there with a prayer, and she's just an amazing woman. And I want to color like this. One day, I just gotta start coloring again, and hopefully I'll get this good someday. I plan on taking some classes this year. I've taken one class, I never finished it. I plan on finishing that one and taking a few more. So look at her work. Oh, I love this card so much, Sybil. And your messages are always near and dear to my heart. And I wish you and your hubby and Haley the same. So there you go. The second card is from my dear sweet Tracy, who is Tracy's Treasures here on YouTube. Tracy's Treasures 24, I do believe it is. And she sent me this card. And thank you, Tracy. You know I love you, girl. Again, Tracy and I go way back, almost to the beginning of my journey. In fact, to the beginning of my journey. And she's hysterical. I love that woman. We are procrastinators together. And this one comes from Jelly Bean. Hey, Jelly Bean. You're in my prayers, girl. She was super sweet and sent me a Christmas card, and I so appreciate it. And then the last thing is I won a giveaway from Sherry, who is CPR, our Craft Pray Repeat here on YouTube. She had a little giveaway going on her channel, and this embossing folder was the prize, and I was the lucky person to win it, and I'm so thrilled. Thank you so much again, Sherry, for sending this off to me and allowing me a chance to win it. And I will be using it in the near future. It's going in my Christmas bin, and I'm keeping that out so that I can create some Christmas projects throughout the year so I won't get bombarded. And that is it for this video, you guys. I'm trying to keep my videos a lot shorter. For some reason, the internet is being a poopsicle, I'm going to say, and it's taking hours for a 7-minute video. So I'm trying to keep them short and sweet, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great week and make a happy memory, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!